Hey! Don't show them.
Yeah, I know. That's why I put it on this. So I have a class at 12, but I'm just gonna head out right now. My outfit today, I'm wearing a black mock neck with my name necklace. I literally look like Dwayne The Rock Johnson right now. I think it's really cold and windy today, so I wore this Sherpa denim jacket and some black jeans. Home because I have an hour in between classes and I wanted to make a quick pesto chicken pasta thing. I have a stats quiz tomorrow, so I need to study a lot for that. And I got home from the library around like 3 a.m. yesterday. Might do that again tonight, but let's see. This is just carrots, bell peppers, and chicken thighs with pesto sauce that I got from Trader Joe's. First time making pesto pasta. I usually only go for like tomato sauce. I feel like I should put more in. It still tastes good. I didn't vlog at all today. My lunch was just like the leftover spring roll that I had from last night. And then I had Takis and I was pretty much just studying. I had 2 classes in the morning and then I studied with a friend and then went to office hours and then went to stats. and now I'm here. I know that I'm gonna get hungry later, so I packed dinner number 2. I have class in 12 minutes, so I'm gonna go run. I'm back and I just got back from my stats quiz. I think I did okay. I completely forgot that today was Halloween. It really doesn't feel like Halloween. I didn't get to eat breakfast though, so let's make kimchi fried rice. For the kimchi, I don't want to stain the cutting board, so I usually just cut it with scissors, and it works perfectly fine. So I have carrots, onion, and kimchi in here, and then I have my Spam, and I also have frozen corn and frozen zucchini, but I'll add that in later when it's on the pan. Usually you're supposed to add like sugar, gochujang, and like garlic and all that kind of stuff, but I have leftover tteokbokki sauce from when I made tteokbokki earlier in the week, so I'm just gonna use some of that, and it's like basically the same thing, so. It's not ASMR. Stop. I just woke up from my nap. I feel very revived. And I'm gonna go meet up with 2 friends so that we can finish our assignment by tonight.
Why is it moving? I'm not doing anything.
Because it's going downhill.
How do I turn?
Lean.
I am leaning.
No! As in, you need to lean so the board is tilting. You can't just lean your body. The board has to tilt.
It's going way too fast.
Just slow down. There. Hey, you're doing pretty good. There's a freaking bus.
Oh my god.
Whoa, the soup is so good.
It's really good.
Fridays are usually my lighter days, so I just have 1 class and then I have 1 meeting to go to. Today is like free Ben & Jerry's day or something. Like they're giving out free ice cream scoops. I'm gonna try to go with my friends to that. This is so good. So yesterday was Halloween. I completely forgot that it was Halloween until I saw people on campus and they were wearing like banana suits. And I was like, but then I realized it was Halloween. But a lot of people had like quizzes or midterms on Halloween, so that was kind of sad. For dinner, I went to Marugame Udon. It's this new udon place that opened up in Berkeley. There's always like a really long wait, like a really long line like out the door. But I went around like 8 or 9ish and there was like a very small line. I had the beef udon, it was so good. It's like probably my favorite place right now. And I also got like a potato croquette thing. It just tastes like mashed potatoes, but it was still really good.
Eh? What recipe?
Peanut Thai peanut chicken.
Yeah. Is it good?
It's good, but
I wanna try.
put less peanut butter
Less peanut butter.
and more gochujang.
Okay.
Like it's just like, it's not good with rice. If you have lettuce wrap or cabbage wrap, it's good.
Wrap again.
But if you eat it with rice, it's like weird because it's like peanut butter and rice, you know?
Yeah.
So like put less peanut butter and like more red pepper or gochujang.
Okay.